Ahoy friends, welcome to Building the Alpha Dory. Today we've got a bit of a different video, a little unboxing, so let's see how it goes. Alright, so a bit of a mystery package arrived the other day. Uh, to Dan, care of Lapstrake Dory Shed. So yeah, let's open it up and see what it could possibly be. Looks like it's sort of an Amazon Prime. Very cool. Free delivery. Fast, free, and convenient. Okay. So, let's see what's inside. It's got a little bit of weight to it, not a lot. Don't want to stick the knife in there too far just in case it's a box full of cute kittens or something. I have noticed a chipmunk around the dory shed, so I never know. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, even better. Look at this. Royal Dansk. That's always a good sign. Huh? And it's sealed. Oh wow. This is going to be a special treat, I'm sure, out in the dory shed. So, let's see if there's a return address, or is this just like a mystery gift? Very cool. Well, I am a huge fan of these Danish butter cookies. And like I was saying, I've seen a chipmunk out in the dory shop, so it's probably just as well that they're in the tin, because otherwise those little critters may be trying to get a snack. Well, thanks a lot, guys, whoever this is from. And yeah, maybe drop a line in the comments if you happen to send me some butter cookies. Oh gosh, 1.3 pounds of butter cookies, plus packaging. The butter cookies themselves are 12 ounces. So, yum. I'll have these with some coffee in the shop for sure. Yeah, as long as we're on Dory Shop gifts, I've gotten quite a number of gifts over the years that have kind of helped out with the Dory Shop and the boat building and whatnot. Yeah, including this guy here was a gift from a local chainsaw artist. And then the table saw was a gift from a friend up the street, a contractor who'd upgraded his saw. And then I had a friend who watches the videos stop by the other day and give me a little something for Centennial. And we'll see how it goes on Centennial. Maybe a little bit big, but so I may have to build a bigger boat to go along with it, but we'll see. So this is a bit of a treat. I'm guessing 25 pounds. It's missing the pin that holds the stock in place, but yeah, real beauty here. So that'll hold Centennial and then some. So like I say, it may take a little bit bigger boat. It's either that or maybe I'll keep my eye out for a smaller one and see if I can trade somebody. But yeah, this is a very generous gift as well. So anyway, hopefully you guys get a little bit of enjoyment out of the videos as well. So trying to give back whenever I can. Yeah, beautiful evening. Looks like we may be getting a bit of rain tomorrow. Got some high mare's tails, cirrus clouds. Thanks for stopping by Building the Alpha Dory, and we'll see you guys next video.